Hello and welcome back to another episode of Hi Good Lang Yan. Come hike with me on the Lost Mountain Loop Trail at Sky Meadows State Park. It's a 4-mile trail with amazing views and fresh air. We might get a little out of breath, but we won't get lost. Let's go! This is a flowering dogwood, the star of the spring forest. It's not just blooming, it's showing off with its white or pink petals. Did you know the land we're walking on at Lost Mountain in Sky Meadow State Park used to belong to George Washington? He might have chopped down a cherry tree, but he knew good property when he saw it. Meet the Apheloria virginiensis, a millipede that looks like it went to a punk rock concert and never left. Its bright colors warn predators of not food. It's the forest floor's stylish creature with a toxic twist. Even though George Washington never lived here, it's cool to think about the place's history. It's like knowing George Clooney owns the villa next door, but never has pool parties. History buffs and autograph seekers missed out. The park had the old-fashioned Mount Bleak Farm, built in 1843 by Abner Settle. Imagine no power tools or YouTube tutorials, just Abner, probably in a top hat and suspenders, building a farm with his hands and a lot of determination. Now, it is a reminder that people did much more before Netflix. By 1860, Mount Bleak Farm grew to 450 acres, tripling its original size. This farm didn't skip land day. It expanded faster than your favorite pants after Thanksgiving dinner. The park has persimmon trees, which were like ancient snack bars for Native Americans. These trees weren't just lovely to look at, they were essential for feeding the land's original foodies. The name persimmon comes from the Algonquin words for choke fruit, which is like a warning from the past. Biting into an unripe persimmon is a surprise mouth workout. Nature saying patience is key. That's it for our loop adventure. Thanks for joining. To keep up with our adventures, comment, like, and subscribe. See you on the next trail. Keep your hiking boots ready. See ya!